So Amanda's almost had her phone.
A week tomorrow.
What do you think?
I am so glad I went back to the iPhone. Oh my word.
So what's better? Now I know you said she liked the screen better.
The,
It was faster.
the screen's better, it's faster. I don't know. It's just easier for me to navigate on here. The apps are better. There's so many more apps. I have nothing bad to say. It and the watch, like it's given me. This is something I told him the other day. With the Android watch, I like to have. Do you want me to show him? I don't know if I'll be able to see it. So in the bottom left corner, there's like a little bubble. Looks like a little
Yeah.
message bubble. So that's my text messages. With the Android watch, you could not get something like that on the face of it. There were only a few faces you could even use and customize where you could even see your messages. I didn't like that
Yeah.
at all.
Mhm.
I don't know if you've noticed that or if you even have.
And I've been having problems with my watch. It shuts off the twist it to see the face of it.
Yeah.
Like it won't turn on. And I go back into settings and turn it back on and then it's off again.
Yeah. It's just there you can customize really the Apple Watch any place on the watch. You want your weather, your steps, your oxygen,
Yeah.
your whatever, your pulse. It's a lot more customizable. And like even speaking into it, I would always have trouble speaking into it. I never was able to get Google to work on it.
Oh yeah.
And so I could just say, "Hey Siri," and she listens, and I don't have to set up my phone to do that. She just listens to me.
Yeah. I think, when you get one of these, you have to switch watches, and it matters. Like,
Well, you wouldn't want two different.
now, do you miss the thumbprint scanner?
No, because it does my face.
Yeah. Well, the Android does your face too, but I don't think it worked as good. Now, I had a problem with the thumb print scanner. I got a blister on my thumb from digging, and it wouldn't read my thumb.
Like I have to do when I sign on for work
Mm-hmm.
with the VPN, it has to go through my phone to secure the network. And so it just uses my face instead of my thumbprint, which is just faster.
Yeah.
To me, it's just faster.
Yeah, and I think it works a lot better than the Android one.
Yeah.
Did you have yours on or just the thumbprint?
Yeah. I think just the thumbprint, maybe.
See, I had both, and the face, like, I called the cops the other day.
Yeah, I bet dialed the cops.
I was working outside. I called the cops with my phone.
3 times.
Yeah, 3 times, and they showed up.
Yeah.
Luckily, they've had this happen before, I guess. I don't know. They didn't have their guns out.
No, he just.
Last time someone called the cops from here, there was 2 of them, and they was getting ready to draw their guns. You remember that one?
Yeah. That's crazy.
That was crazy. So I didn't like my phone calling the cops when they're not supposed to. But the other thing is I'll have it where it does that, and it locks the phone on me. Like, I don't know, it's like if I sweat or something in my pocket, it's trying to open it, and it locks it, and I'll pick it up, and it'll be like 30 seconds before you can, like, it's going to lock my phone, and I'm not going to be able to get in my phone.
Mm-hmm. I do like so I was having trouble with the Weather Channel app where it would tell you the temperature for the next few days.
Yeah.
There was something wrong with that widget, and it you could not see the temp. You could just see like the cloud. It was really weird how they had it. I didn't like it at all. I did not like the Weather Channel widgets on the Android.
And I was saying before in another thing we did, this has better Google stuff than the Google phones. It had a search thing, a Google search bar, and it had 2 of the most important,
There's
something
one
like
right
that.
there. So this is the Google search bar, and you can even get it smaller than that where it wouldn't have those Facebook and Amazon. Another thing that's neat is there's this new button on the side, which you can hardly see with the case, but you just press that and your camera will come up, and then you can take and go like this. Well, that flipped it. But you can actually zoom in by just doing this. So I had actually got on YouTube and looked up a video, and I had the guy told you everything you needed to change to conserve your battery, the best way, the best photo, video settings, everything. So I pretty much did everything that guy said, and we can link it if I can find it for you. But it was very informative.
Yeah, that's
it was like
awesome.
27 things to do when you get the new iPhone.
Yeah.
So I don't have anything negative to say about it. I love it.
Did you put your screen protector on?
Yes. This is a Spigen screen protector I did myself.
Wow.
So I didn't make him do it. You can see my thumbprints on there. But it's on there just fine.
That's
I did a good job.
How's the battery life?
Great. I've not had any trouble.
Is it better than the Samsung?
I would say yes. But it's the Samsung too. I don't know what I maybe had made a setting where it wasn't conserving the battery like it should have been. I probably had things running in the background.
Now we want to talk about the MagSafe.
Yes.
Okay, so you cannot charge your Apple and Android watches on the same charger. It will not. It's a different magnet or something. The MagSafe, like you have to get new chargers too.
Yeah, I had to buy a brand new wireless charger.
And the chargers that we have, like you can't find a MagSafe charger like you can for Apple. It's just so much more stuff. You go down an aisle at, where was we at? Target?
Target.
They had, it was a massive aisle.
They didn't even have the 17 stuff yet. Because it was such a new
but they have all the other stuff. That's the thing, like accessories.
Yeah.
Is so much more for, man, are you more out?
Yeah, you can go to Walmart, Five Below. The amount of...
Yeah, we found them at Five Below.
The amount of cases and cords and watch bands, it's just much more convenient having Apple.
Yes. Yeah, and like we were saying before, the apps couldn't use it on the golf grip thing. Like they don't even have those apps for Android. And like we were saying before, Android has more of a market share. Yeah. So it must be easier to make the apps for Apple.
And I don't know what it is about this Apple phone, but it's easier for me to read the screen than on the Android. I was having a lot of trouble, and I don't know if that's just because I'm getting old and, I need reading glasses or what, but I was having a lot of problems seeing words on Android. And Apple, I don't know if they've done something and the processor's faster. I don't know what it is, but everything is just so much more smooth, and it just looks so much better.
Like you were saying with Facebook, and everything moves quicker.
Everything moves quicker. I love it.
I can't wait to get mine.
The only bad thing about switching a phone is it's annoying having to sign into everything.
Oh yeah, I remember last time.
I mean, a lot of things will, if you can transfer and the apps will go, but you still have to sign back into the apps.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
We'll catch you in the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Shashi. Why are you so tired? You wasn't even outside. Was she running around?
I don't know what she's doing.
Freaking out. So, how many gigs did you get? 256?
I think 256 is the lowest you can get now.
Well,
and they do have a 2 terabyte.
A 2 terabyte? I at least want to get a 1 terabyte. Because I couldn't get that in my other phone, could I?
I don't think so.
I think they only had the 512 or something.